Hey, what's going on? Mike Hobbs here, and in this video, I actually want to show you in Descript whether you should use the ignore feature or the delete feature and what the difference between them are. Because when I was actually editing my video recently, I noticed that option there and I was curious on what one did and what the other did, and it was a little bit confusing, and Descript can do that sometimes. And so I'm actually putting together a whole series of Descript videos that I'll put in a playlist in the description if you want to watch the other things that may be confusing as well. So let's get right into it. You probably got to this part already where you want to remove filler words using this actions button here at the top. So you've clicked this button, and then you've clicked remove filler words, and then shows all the words you want to be removed. And then you notice right here, this little drop down, there's delete, delete and replace with gap, then ignore, and then remove from transcript. So delete or ignore, which one is better? And here's the difference. So delete is going to delete it from the transcript and the video itself. So the video is going to be edited. So I'll show you that right here. So I'm going to click remove. Okay. So now if I go back, that word is gone from the transcript and it's gone from the video. Okay. Now here's the difference. Now, if I go to ignore and I click remove, check this out. So do you see how it removed it from the video itself, but it remains in the transcript just in case you want to come back to the transcript and go back through and see what was deleted and if you want to undo it. So as you can see right here, there's a restore and delete. So this is helpful if you have a whole bunch of things and you don't want to go through everyone one by one. And so ignore is super helpful because you could literally just click remove all. So you can click ignore and then just click remove all. And then you can go back through the transcript, just like scamming through and see what was removed, and then go listen to it and see if it sounds okay. And if it sounds okay, then you can click delete from the transcript. And so I think that is super helpful if you want to go back through and just do like a bulk edit and then go back through and just make sure it sounds okay. Otherwise, with delete, typically I'll just do this and I'll just go through everything one by one. I'll click this little arrow and go through everything one by one and click remove. And then that way I don't have to go back through the transcript. But that's the difference, is delete just deletes it completely from the transcript and the video. Ignore removes it from the video, but leaves a little slash for the transcript so you can go back through and look at it. And then there's some other ones in here too, like remove from transcript, that actually leaves it in the video, but removes it from the transcript. That's how that works. So that's the difference between delete and ignore. I hope you got value from this video. Again, I have other videos on Descript and how to use it and getting over the confusing parts of it. I'll have a playlist in the description. If you want to find out more about what I do to use video to make money online, I have some resources that you can download. I'll have a link in the description for those as well. Make it a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.